Hey guys, this is Dr. Edwards, and I hope you're having a good day. And we need to do something about this lighting. There we go. I hope you're having a good day. And I wanted to give you guys some tips and also some knowledge that you need to know in order to do well on your examination. So this is for the Organizational Communication course, COMM 4304. All right, guys, so let's dig into it. Okay, so first we'll go over like the things that you need to know about the structure of the examination, and then we'll go over the questions, any questions that you guys submitted to me. And last but not least, we'll go over just some things that you guys need to know about like basically about what to study for on your examination. I mean, I know I should say everything, but I'm going to break it down for you guys. All right. So the time frame for the examination is it will start, and you can take the test anytime between Thursday at 9 a.m., anytime between Thursday at 9 a.m. and Sunday at midnight. So I would encourage you guys to look at everything that you have going on the rest of this week, carve out study time, and then carve out some test time. You will need to carve out 90 minutes in order to take your examination. So just think ahead and be smart about, how you study and take your examination. So 90 minutes. So within those 90 minutes, you guys will have, wait for it, 8 test questions. Yes, I said it, 8 test questions. So that basically means that you guys will have 8 higher value test questions for your examination. So the rubric that I will use to grade your exam, and I write notes on everything, y'all, but I write notes on all of your responses, and I read every single word that you write, every single letter that you write. So I want you guys to know that I'm reading everything, and you will have a response based on a rubric, and also I'll write comments on that as well. But the rubric will be as follows. So we'll have like exceeds professor's expectations, meets professor's expectations, slightly below professor's expectations, far below professor's expectations, and did not attempt this at all. Yeah, that's on there as well. So we have 8 questions. All these questions will be open-ended questions. So that means you will not see any true false. You will not see any pick one of these, multiple choice kind of things. You will not see that. All of your questions will be open-ended. So I want you guys to dig deep, dig very, very deep into everything that you've learned this semester, everything you've read this semester, all of the knowledge that you've gained, and I want you to apply it to this examination. So I'm serious. This should not be a pressure-filled thing. You guys don't second guess yourself. You have mastered the knowledge that you need to do well on this examination. But think about the format of all of our questions, our discussions, and assignments throughout the entire semester. All of them have been open-ended and scenario-based. A scenario basically means I'm going to throw something out there, like think of a company that you've either worked for or that you've seen on TV in a sitcom or in a movie that exhibits this. So we'll just say that has a top-down organizational structure. Why did you pick this company, and describe what typically happens in this organizational structure? That's not going to be on the exam, but I want you guys to be prepared for the type of questions that you guys will see on the examination. All right, so next, I want you guys to know that you have that the test is worth 150 points. So if you think 8 points each, 150 points, you guys do the math. Those are high value questions. So I want you guys to come with it, bring your all to the examination because I want you guys to do well. Another thing, do not use your notes on the examination. You can use your notes on everything from today is Monday, so from Monday all the way until midnight on Wednesday. But if you decide to take your test on Thursday at 9 a.m., you need to put your notes up because your notes are not going to help you on this examination. Remember, I said these are open-ended questions. You will need to write content. Your content will need to make sense to you and to me. So that means I want you guys to make sure that you give me examples for definitions. Give me examples. Give me 1 or 2 examples for each of the questions. I want to know without a shadow of a doubt that you know your material. So just like in your current or future company, they want to know that you've mastered your craft, that you've mastered all the knowledge needed to work at their company. Like I said, I used to work at Taco Bell. I can still tell you how to make the Nacho Bell Grande Supreme. So I mastered that knowledge, and I've carried that knowledge all the way from high school all the way until now. So I want you guys to realize that what you're learning right now, you're going to apply either next week or 20 years from now. So that's the cool thing about this class. Everything is scenario based, but I need you to give me examples. All right. Next, I want you guys to also know that you can ask me questions. If there's something on the review that you can't find, please let me know, and I'll be happy to help you guide you guys along the right path. Okay, so let's go to the review. All of the PowerPoints that we've had throughout the entire semester so far, they're on the review. So that's a really good thing. Also, all the articles that we've integrated in class are on the review as well. But I also want you guys to just double check the assignments and the syllabus just to make sure I didn't throw in another article. That all the articles that you will need are linked on the review. So it could be easier for you guys. Also, here's an example. On the review it says, be able to do the following. Define and give an example of the social exchange theory. That's actually one of my favorite theories, y'all. And I said that because I want you guys to come with the examples. I don't care if it's a movie. I don't care if it's a church group. I don't care if it's the sale barn. I don't care. But give an example of the social exchange theory. If you think about RJP, or the realistic job preview, you guys, it's so interesting that many of our jobs do offer realistic job previews, or RJPs. So that basically means before they invest all this time and all these amazing resources, you know, some companies spend an average of $15,000 to recruit you and to educate you and retain you that first year, and they don't want to lose their investment. So I want you guys to think about the fact that, you know, what an RJP is and give an example. I want you guys, this review is super, super focused. I want you to know that I'm not a gotcha kind of professor. So I will not bring something up that's not on the review, or that's not in our assignments. So I want you guys to refer back to the assignments and refer back to your readings and refer to the review in order to do well in this exam. But I'm here for you. I'm not a gotcha kind of person. Don't leave something blank, y'all. I'm being serious. Do not leave something blank. Put something in the blank. Even if you don't know what it is, write something. Write something. I can't emphasize that enough. All right. If you have any questions, send me a message on campus, and I'll be sure to reply to you as soon as I receive it. Talk to you soon, guys. It's going to be a good week. You got this. Talk to you soon. Bye, y'all.